From the city of character, a gift for the health enthusiast, a gift for the athletes, a gift for those who love to play, a gift for the Bayawanans, a gift for all of us. In this episode, make sure to feast your eyes by the waterfront view of Bayawan City. I guarantee you, you'd be impressed. Oh, hi everyone! I'm going to take you on a tour on what we can see in Bayawan's new project. So let's go! That is the tower clock. And see what's in it. So it's prohibited to go inside. I wonder what they're gonna put inside it. Okay, there's also little pools for fishes, I think. And that clock right over there also operates. Jogging and biking is what Bayawanans usually do. It's daily. Although it is a simple daily activity, it is very healthy. But because it's on the boulevard streets, it is very unsafe because there are vehicles passing by. Not only we need to be healthy, but we also need to be safe. Because the LGU of Bayawan City loves Bayawanans, they have built this project for us. Now let's try. I'm safe and not gonna be run off by a car. Whee! Oh, I am so tired. Oh wait, a bench. And guys, if you wanna watch the sunset, you have benches. That's the whole reason you have benches, so you can watch at the sunset and rest at the same time. There's still no sunset. It's very cloudy. And don't worry if you need to pee, because we also have a restroom. You can't see them, but I'll get a closer look. There you go. As you guys see, the outside is very clean. We're not gonna go inside. No way I'm not going inside. So it won't be dark at nighttime. We also have lights. Nice. We have tons of lights. Look at that. That kid is very safe, and also for the bikers and the joggers. So guys, it's not yet done, but we are so excited for it to be finished.